Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're talking about Thai police clearances, and basically in the context of a K-1 visa, if you're dealing with a Thai national or if you're dealing with anybody that's living in Thailand or has lived in Thailand for a fairly prolonged period of time, it may be required that you obtain a police clearance. And a police clearance is basically a certificate that says either the individual does not have a police record or they do have a record, and then it stipulates the record as to, what kind of record that individual has. This has to be presented to, if you're going through Thailand, to the U.S. Embassy here in Bangkok in order for them to process and adjudicate an application for a K-1 fiancé visa. Now, the process will vary a little bit. If there is a criminal record involved, it can be a very different process than if there is not a criminal record involved. One word of major caution: you may read about on the internet in times past. It's really not done that I see at all anymore, mostly because I think the system's so digital or whatever. You may hear about in times past, I read about somebody online that paid somebody to get them a clean police clearance. That is a terrible idea. One, it could be determined and probably will be determined to be fraud and misrepresentation at the U.S. Embassy. The other thing is, as I've said, as a practical matter, it just doesn't happen anymore. There may have been a time when that happened. In my experience over the past roughly 15 years here in Thailand, that has not ever been the case. But you'll hear about times past, or these almost urban legends out on the forums associated with immigration, that, you can just pay somebody and get a clean police clearance. Yeah, that's not possible, nor is it at all advisable, because that could be deemed to be a major problem with respect to a case and could even have criminal penalties associated with it. So police clearances, they are an integral part of processing a K-1 visa, especially for a Thai national, and it's a document that's going to be needed in order to complete the interview at the U.S. Embassy here in Bangkok.